Hello, my country people. Another one don't come inside
again from
Please,
AB
my
World
people, make una
Entertainment.
come here
This video
with the
now
sub.
where I want to do so
Iyomo
now from
one of Spain don't come outside for
one
Iyore
of
one
Spain.
of
Now
Paris.
I want now
Okay,
get
my
the
people.
video where I want to talk about today.
Iya tavite
Iyomo
way.
versus Iyore one of Paris.
Agogo.
Okay, my people, make una come here another
My
gbege.
people.
You need to
don't
talk and
enter
say
one chance for
Agadeva Hama
Iyomo
one
hand.
listening. Okay,
Wetin
waiting
happen for here?
Iyomo come
Iyomo
outside
pick a guest.
talk about
Say
Iyore.
people
One
they
of
call Iyore.
Paris say
Aga.
why
He
she
say
would
if
dey
anybody dey like
cry,
that,
why she
make
would dey
dem
laugh,
no
men
do am
say they
because
dey
normal lag mufo
mock and say she
so
be
e no good.
barren woman.
So that
say
one
make
na
she
number
no
one. He
cry
say make dem no
again
dey
because
talk
of
am if
why?
anybody dey,
Because
but
say
she
she
no know
get
whether person call am
pikin.
that kind
Because
of
the other day
name.
she come outside come
Okay,
talk
oh
say
my
she get
people.
pikin.
Another
So
one
why you
again,
come
I
dey
can tell
lament,
you.
why you
Iyore
come dey
say
cry?
why
And if
Iyore go
anybody
dey
dey
swear for
wey dey
small
mock am,
children.
make dem
Say e dey very
make dem
bad.
stop am, make dem no dey
He say make
mock am
Iyore
again.
go
My
answer the
people,
call
so
wey
now
dey
so we
call
see
am for
the
Oyedo.
matter wey dey for inside.
He say why
town.
Iyore go talk say na she remember Idiani yesterday. Na that place na sweet me pass my country people as e dey hot. He say Iyore no remember Idiani yesterday because Iyore is not that Iyore is not a member of Idiani yesterday's family. That's true. He say Iyore say a motor no car work your bar where they ring road for there say na she still remember then. He say anytime where they tell they do burial for Bini, Arioton, Arigie, a motor, Vivani. So how Bini can't forget a motor when Iyore say na he remember them. Okay, that's true. He say he den no poko. No fear ne no yo egbe ya fi hand on that phone. He say Iyore say na she still remember Eden no poko. He can't say no. This great women where Iyore they talk about, Iyore no relate to them. How Iyore can't they remember them? He can't talk another one. Say Iyore, the only way Iyore they remember those three great warriors in Benin City, our great mothers. Now Iyore they use their image to they look for money. If you not see them, my people, I believe that one. You understand? Say now what Iyore they do with that one. So ever since then, when Iyore saw say he want go build house, prayer house where they pray with Idiani Yesige name, Iyore no go to build the house. Rather, Iyore carry the money to go buy hotel. Say anybody will need their money back, both those who don't sit on ROIP for members, or those who don't divert, or we don't go back to church again, or go back to their juju way again. If they need their money, they will come collect them. My people, how possible is that? So now this EA can talk say may Iyore no dey swear for small children again. Say may not they use the name of ancestors that they swear. Say because all those ancestors, Idiani Yesige, Emota, and Idenokpoho join the swear where they swear for Iyore for palace. So if she be Iyore, may Iyore go meet Baba, may he beg her, say in this sorry. Now waiting me they always they talk ever since then. Say may Iyore go meet Baba. May tell Baba say Baba la wo yo home ya bome. Ite tamarita we okaherehi. I'm sorry, Daddy. Say may Iyore go do that one. So it can still talk another one again. Where I say make I let una know. And before I go talk that one, I beg if you are just watching for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please, after watching, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified. To my new subscriber, you are welcome, and to my returnees, God bless you. So guys, I will leave you and make una watch the full episode of this video from here. Happy view, my people. How na see this video?
Okay now. Kibo Rocky Orobo Kibo. Kiboroki, orobo kibo, orobo shabe, orobo, robo, 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 robo. Iri robo, robo, robo. Iri robo, 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 robo. Oh! So, everybody, now good afternoon. From now to January, I dey for here. I not go anywhere. I dey for severe from now to January. My holiday, everything is here. I'm here from now to January. I will do December for here. Throughout December, I'm here. From now to January, I dey here. So, I don't stop work. I don't work again. I dey for here. So, anybody will say, he want to tolerate for problem, I dey here. Because now that one I be my groundnut when I take the drink garri. Pray, I dey come for you later. Pray. You say you sabi do wahala. Come make we come put left for one trouser. Pray. Oh, now you're me and you not get problem. I just come advise you. You're another man. My dear. You're another Kel. So, my people. You're yesterday now I see your video where you do. You know, sir, they always say the truth. I know if you talk say me and you know they in good order, say me cannot say the truth. I will still say the truth. Me and you not get any problem, and because of the way when you do, when you take me a bottle, now they make me they come out for you. And you get one stupid person when you say be a day, he use Yoruba name to open YouTube. Adeola, Abiola something. I know look that video well. It's I don't check the name, but something Ade, then the surname now I don't remember where. So that Ade say video they not put your name, say the video not they get head. That's your mouth. Let person I go hold that your mouth when they talk. The time when they use our obate, they brush it every day. You not dead there, you die that and be you there for prison. I don't say you be Bini or you the hear Bini. You just go use Yoruba name, take open YouTube, so that they will say you not be Bini. And so all those fake account people they do. So you say if you come talk down, I will come they insult Yoruba. I not go insult Yoruba. I have reason. Yoruba woman dey for my house. I pay dowry for Yoruba woman head. So that Yoruba woman a nice woman to me. Now my daughter self not be say na nice woman. It's my daughter-in-law. Now my daughter. Yeah, the place when I put my daughter, now there I put her because it give me the maximum respect. The respect when it's supposed to give me, now she give me. Then train her well. Because of that, my daughter will be Yoruba, so when marry my son, I don't want to insult Yoruba person. Because that my daughter, they train her well. I don't see person where they train like that. I don't know say they see this now and this girls where they say get good character like that. Because of that one, now I no fit open my mouth make I dey curse Yoruba. That my daughter, him father come from Ekiti, while his mother come from Kogi, from Ikaba. That his mother. They train that pikin well. They train her. Not be pikin when marry the bottle. Not be speaking true. Not be thinking bad. Better person. So you, when I just send you message, now you say you won't come say here. Who be your? See, may I tell you, if you just send you message or you go to collect or code there for in hand, that or code there go punch your belly one day. You hear? Now waiting I can't tell you. I not go curse you because you be a gabagebe. I don't know where you come from. But if you try and next time, I'll come take your head to sit down. And so you be. So Ijore, I see that video when you do what you come, they shout, they cry, they shout, they shout. The time when I take you yesterday, I don't already prepare to like that make I sleep. I said no, let it be today. May I come talk to you. My people, if you don't know some, you know, video ni ogagele mata igo waje mo moge wageli jagyo be ni meje na me seti je mo moge won because you salobua iye ti create iyan me ma igbo ma na kun you understand aje mi yari omo re aje gwa sa yari omo salobua jo mo ja gwo ma o ma keke do me do bo ma be ni kuno wu dado wage je mo aje mo moge ma ana be tie me be tie bo no mo a prier ni oka ate boni biye no jari go be Germany ba ni o say na return a boni biye ni ni ro wa ni wa so fa kan ma ze ni e ma we so ni go be na tie ni we obi no kavan we kavan you understand so wa ga tie bomu wa na we mi ke mi life do e ga fi bi gwajo. You understand? Wala ho wo ibi edo. Wage mo ya gio. Won je gwo sayari omo re. Komo kon anu salo bari omo na is a blessing from God. O sanyamu omo na gbon na nyamu. You understand? No okay won dan. O sie. So you do we na ga iviete ni ka o. Eni ka o maybe the fake one o go e ba no wa ati o. We na iga vega soni but I think we that dia bedere but 6 or 7 months ago na ha we unhawane. I even wish you congratulations. So don't ma beg do tan now imagine the video ni ayati we agan o iya we no won ko no be ti wa gan ma be support because o ma ni o salobua ni temata igwe no kin guya na si ameta itema itami no kin we no kin ta na ge ma o salobua we kin no de mo no ma ama igbo mari obo wedo ivio so eliano I make na nani mo de ama igwe ijore ma set je kiba ni no ya ide so wa ga igio emi no gba wu ni we no no wa gwe direct oko mo no ro ni wa ri enu were bon we ga ati eni oh do na do bodo je mo ya giwe by this time where ma bia o do ati wa gan we la dia bedere no hu ha mo no gibe ha ma na oh mani ye agan agan ni a do mo na do bola dia be gena na igata mota ma we hu ha ma na owu agan salopa mo eni ofie ni we gbe ni me no salopa ya fi eni sera gbe sara fi do ya ke sera o ya fi Abraham ya ke Abraham you understand so ofie ni we gbe muta ma gbon wo fi ni we gbe very soon he may expect me and go no because around that time me oh yeah ka wu mama yeah it's true that kind in May or April you know opa wu efa oh yeah ka wu mama maybe your money ga se da ko ni asi that kind 3 months never again 2 to 3 months never again so don't want to do butter beg be ni ananya we agan oh you have to prove it for people wo agan o salobo afi ni we gbe ne. You understand? So egbe me do ni set balo we gbe be no do abalu we gbe de be na be me ya agree we na so na get ya with the video but na so ni me you understand? So my keke ni gbe be do ni balo but my keke we be do ati ebojo ebonu we tie ni oni ma de le kosan ni me because I we ebonu we ga ati ni ebo we pe jere ekena ebonu re na o ga ebonu we ru asu be do you asu ni jani yes gie na be muta be done something like that any fiye ke gbugbe no pe because yan ma ge we nje you understand I wetin yan ge okay na mo bo gbugbe e ba ni yan ji ki jani just ge ke muta no ka we pe oba be ni ka oni ya fefefe yan mu gbugbe ni ya polo yan na si epeti lo enu uwe miamia bo ni we gide egbedo ati yan fiye ke gbugbe na pe kede ni ade ni a unless a photocopy ni we vio yo ba ni we ni ya pe vio yo wa me ya ko ni oni we ga ati o don't you know let's concern about that okay women we what you are just wasting your time any de when you we here or when wa go no vie sa de any de ze do we you understand only emi ni gbe ni be do tama because we all are expecting that to see what not what we do momo. You understand? Only maybe here. Maybe from now to December, I got to with the momo. The special grace of God. Don't man be a jebeli on one of the bagay, whatever gioma. Oh, gag money make gioma. Una wa we meet direct, I talk to you direct. Okay, when you do ya momo ya give, when you may set you no money, you do ya give money. I can't do that. You salopa no your mo gioma. No salopa very, no salopa me. You might data with the beg and me go ya there. You understand? The private jet in the money may go there, my mammy go ya there. Imagine where you're to be, no. So, he may get very only. You understand? So, if you know, it's your. I never knew your panel. No, the way life is the later way. Who were a queen of Benin Kingdom? Jory, why are you a queen of Benin Kingdom? As on a room, get 12 fois. Saka make Buebagmon. Who were a queen of Benin Kingdom? Who were a queen of Biafra? You understand? Every queen of Facebook, queen of Biafra. Benin Kingdom, your queen were war. What can those say when I been a queen of Benin Kingdom? Who were ye big boy again? When women I will no heck away ye big boy again. Who my women no heck now? You can never be queen of Benin Kingdom. When I got women no heck and I give you a ball of one. And I give him more ton of wedding. I do way I could back. You can never be queen of Benin Kingdom. Set here, or or maybe only what you are big baby. And you can't that kind of cannot happen. I can remember one time who mean no man woman. You understand? So you can never be. I know really how carry on men. I can do Jamuja a goggy man. Just like that, who had big be again in Burkina Faso according to your personal person. Do yak big be again in Burkina Faso do lie a Parisi, who big Parisi, or a Jamac Bokojo, or we Budula Lord, or we Bugila Lake Boko, the Jamac Bokojo. Only with him how we will queen a women a domuzomo, a donut why you take your time, Ijore, don't say that type of thing again. You understand? When we are telling Manabedo, who must so that Mama who no Guegon, who are sick attention, no Maya Guegon, so no one got one. You are seeking for attention. I know you are seeking for attention. You understand? So don't seek for if I thought you are seeking for attention, don't ever seek for that type of attention. You understand? So take your time and you will be very honest. You are never a queen and you will never be queen of Edo or Benin Kingdom. So bear that in mind. If you come away, you know, you are more like the worker or not you will do. Umaka can go with your boss. Just sorry for the time you are going out Salobo. You understand? Emi no ga se to ga se. O Salobo aka wa ga mo bo e dag mo. Wa ga mi. O mo ro kuro pa. Yawe age no ge yo no ge o akono fu age. E no ge ma won so pa ge ma no bi o ma pe. Agbon ni ge won we ma de na ahwe o. We ma wa agbon ni ma de na ahwe. Nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah, mo ge mo wa we mi dan. Ita mo we mi wu na ma. Mi abe wu beta ma agba koko correct egbe. You understand? So no do ge me I believe what am I say. You know. Yeah, we say abi we so Salobo ade bagwa. So I believe where am I say you know. Ya ge o we. Beni me think ge o ma, you say je mo ya ge o ma. You understand? It's that your mother and Momoya Gilma, but you do your Momoya Gilway. I can't do that because he said in make can self, he said in J. So, in any girl, just forgive them. And do I tear because I was born in with Dwarty and we asked any dog, a don't know any fee could be not bay. Any where were those Jayare, who were those Jayare webo. Me yekere meke hemiti ani just give him mutanoka we ko ba we ya 1977 I be we be gani abi am first stack Idore 1977 I be we again agbinya here ga say we first start e me say we first start in we again 1977 ma what me again we first yan first start na people first start e jani yesterday taji yan re ni aje ere na mo first start yo e mota no no ka we ki obono woro ring road ni e na ge mi di statute na river e wo jere Ijore that Colocacus brain we ni okay ken totanu e wo jere ọmọ ko ma no gi nwam ne be do no gi se do ni no gi mama muta no ka we ke ba ni ero ọmọ hoyin ero ọmọ me go pa na ya mi muta ide no popo the same thing ọmọ me go pa na ya mi e go te do ni igu go gi do mo eru ka we wa nya present egbo we doji ya kun go be we bo no bi gbo fine agbon here we just you are saying the truth o wo jiyan re e wo we agwa amade o was never a time na ya mi amaka me ya hie be Christianity no do mo doria iya ga o imi egenede aga go iya o imi iya vi mi ya ni boga we muta vi mi ya ye awe muta e mani ru selu no masati je kena we muta yo eme kenya na yo muselu park that time e mani be iya ni ready ya no me kenya na we be side selu park then iya ni be side maybe from Selu market area Selu market ya sabu gbogbo o make no be gbogbo any do awu Selu market o make ni be ja fi mi to representing am by him ye by that time to represent oge mutani ni an soton here you understand when get na a pastor yan soton na ni soton no martin na take away everywhere so mama go pa na ma ya jin are o Ijore no Colocacus brain we no keke no correct so if you know Ijore only when you to tamo e wa go ni do ta kia e wa ta lo video ni so as they are correct you man correct when you be abe miscreant you abe gullible followers when you abe do at ite bonjian ibe la din do gbogbo jeri yan jian ho me slacky me afera afi mesi me mana me na afera na afi me na wa me ege paracetamol me na afera ni go ewe egbo me wa dey week me na wa me mo po wa deliberate yan egbo me wa do this wrong. You understand? Me pray na what we menya who me la wa me pray na la yo now you setting when I la jan upa ni me la jan gba ni from now to January una la jan upa me la jan gba ni we eme ni me we mi eme when you ata mo no de if yan ye ha opata wo no de until you come out again ike do te no pa when you la jan me eri be ya te no pa when de gbe ya la den be de gbe go if I still need more information de gbe ti yan ni yan we ta more information about you e ma gba run wa mi go every day by day they will still tell me more about you here better my what that for I don't want put your matter for this one or you do pa na this is only Ijore so when you do tell me Ijore go give me no Beni ya gioni imasani me mani giye momo gioni waka bogu wagu ema wa get try bring radio me then on the other one na we a queen Ijore you are never a queen and you never be queen of Edo State bear that in mind yawe queen ne wo wa we ba it's okay like that mama to so when ya bolufu aba Ijore so only for by Ijore ni me be ni ha itamawo me be ni atamawo do na ile wo be do be ni ge na be we ona mate kaka bo we oge nu na so ni o ma we ina do mi ne in a different way of social media the one we queen na idori e bai nuna vieni nuna goni o ma we say because before me ke do deliberate jemi I ka mo e skin no gbe do we or say capacity ni ana gun a idola jen do gun o ma say the capacity mana we say video I ka e ba share so you give Johnny a vacuum on but ma dey we for say na gwe I ge so you know je so wa tamia we ni ado arobi we ni arobi re yan bijin wa no re won wa he no yan ga be so ni ayo mu e total we be mu e be ya total understand yeah you mu e total no do kin for 7 years you mu e ya total o do kin beside o do awo yan ga kin igbe wa ewu no wi ma sorry you understand so dia no ni igbe wa ewu be to no wo ma sorry ko si ma poro no sugbe so wa no gwe edomegbon mo gugu o se na gbe sanko o no gwe edomegbon mo gugu era yen je mo gugu so eria wa se o ma sikita o yan ba to